viewers, welcome to my channel. Now we are in Revelstoke. Today we are at Three Valley Gap Ghost Town Railway Museum. This is a very nice railway museum. This place is good for kids, and also you can learn a bunch of new things. If you visit Revelstoke, be sure not to miss out on this beautiful place. You can also buy tickets online or in person. In this video, I will show an old private train which inside has a living room, a bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen and dining area. Please watch my whole video and I hope you enjoy! You can take a 2-kilometer ride on a mini rail train. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on another adventure. Bye!